everybody and welcome to today's video. Today we'll be making bignè, and the first ingredient you'll need is 2 eggs, 50 grams of butter, 1 spoonful of sugar, a pinch of salt, 100 milliliters of water and 60 grams of flour. Remember, the fire has to be very little. Now you put the butter in, then you put the water. Then you get the pinch of salt and then the sugar. And then you start mixing with the whisk. Bring to the boil, always mixing. Now put the flour in and start mixing very well. Keep on mixing until it becomes compact, and I would rather use a wooden spoon to mix. Do you know how to know when it is ready? When it can be easily removed from the bottom of the pan. Like this. When it is ready, you remove from the fire and you get the one egg and you put it inside and then you start mixing. When it has become like this, you can even put the other egg. And you start mixing again. Now I get a baking pan and I put grease-proof at the bottom. Now we are ready to make the little bignè. You have to put at least half of it into a little spoon and you put it down. Then you get another one. I have now wet my fingers a bit to make the form of little balls. Remember, they should never be very close to each other. Now I have to put it in a static oven at 220 degrees for about 15 minutes. And do not open the oven. Now 15 minutes have passed, so we can leave it for another 10 minutes. But now we have to put it to 190 degrees. Now we have finished the bignè. This is how it looks under and on top. They are very delicate. Pastry cream inside the bignè. When I have finished, I can put a bit of icing sugar and I can decorate it however I want. For example, icing sugar or some chocolate on top. To put chocolate on top, you have to get 100 grams and let it melt on the fire. I would put milk chocolate and I would put a bit of milk around to let it melt better. Now that it is melted, so we can put it on the bignès. Please remember to put the chocolate when it has cooled off, and if the chocolate is too solid, then you can put a bit of water. Finished our wonderful recipe. I really hope you enjoy. Please subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!